Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Let I talk on a topic problems or difficulties. What are problems? What are challenges? First of all, my question is that anyone who can raise your hand in this class who is totally problem-free person. I think not in this class, only this class. If you go across the world, you will not be able to find a single person who can challenge that I am totally problem-free person. And problems are of different types, maybe domestic problem, social problem, economic problem, health problem, etc. So you can't find a single person who has no challenges, who has no problems, who has no difficulties in their life. So actual life is this, to deal with the problems, to accommodate, to negotiate the problems, to resolve the problems. Without problems, there is no life. Actual problems are not here to break you, even problems are helping you to make you. Let me quote an example that if you do a work without problem, without challenge, you perform any competition without problem, no one can, the world will not salute you. Only the world or the nation will salute you if you will perform a task which is impossible for million and trillion people. And if you perform it, people will salute you. If you perform a task which is easy for other peoples, which are other people are doing with greater ease, and if you will perform it, no one will salute you. You will not be champion because everyone is doing that task with greater ease. So now I am going to give you an example. Let's suppose a match is being played, a cricket match is being played between Pakistan and let's suppose Australia, because Australia is a stronger side. So let's suppose it's a World Cup final match and Australia scores 350 and Pakistan has to chase it, and during chase Pakistan has lost its 7 wickets at 200. Now team is in problem. Let's suppose Babar Azam is playing with tail-enders because 7 wickets are gone. And Pakistani team has to chase that 350. So if Babar Azam does this job with the help of tail-enders and he helps his team to chase that 350, then not only Pakistani team or Pakistani nation, even the nation and cricket world will salute Babar Azam because he has done a greater job that was looking impossible. So if Australia scores in another match, if Australia scores 150 and Pakistan chases it with greater ease, even without loss of any wicket, then what will be the remarks of the people? Even people will say that was a bad day for Australia because Australia is very good side. It was their bad luck. It was their bad day because they have scored only 150. So it means that if you perform a task without any problems, without any challenges, you will not be considered as a champion. So without problems, without challenges, there is no life.